when one learns to write, you really need to write beyond the walls of the classroom. By working with community partners, we engage the students with those constituencies that their ideas are really going to impact as engineers.
Socio-technical competencies mean that students understand the intertwined nature of society and engineering.
This is central to being an engineer. Technology mediates all of our lives, and it's not neutral. Technologies are designed to have certain outcomes, determined outcomes, and sometimes those outcomes have ethical implications.
Students at Viterbi obviously get a world-class technical education. Our goal as a program is to connect them and their technical ideas with societal impact. How do they articulate those ideas? How do you collaborate?
What is the purpose for creating this new technology? What is your purpose? I ask them a very profound question, is what is your purpose?
Communication, human-centered design, citizenry-focused work, problem-solving that is embedded in society. The role of the Engineering in Society program is to educate engineers about their jobs and their purposes in what is societally relevant.
It's really easy to kind of lose sight of why you're studying. They throw all these different technical courses at you and you learn a lot. But in the process, you can kind of lose sight of that. And so I think it's really important to have these types of experiences in classes.
We don't have nearly enough ethical discussions in our curriculum. If we're not having conversations about that, and in those conversations are the ethics, woven into that. If we're not having those conversations, it's irresponsible, and we could develop ourselves into chaos.
Undergraduates now are going to be the leaders of America in engineering, so we're going to be on the EPA advisory boards, we're going to be at the US Department of Energy, right? We're going to be in these places where our expertise needs to be clearly communicated to the general population and influential people who run companies for the best decisions that need to be made at a scientific level.
We're called Engineering in Society, but really it's also a lot about the engineer in society. How do you develop that engineer who can be trustworthy? When they realize what they're capable of, when they realize that their ideas are not just going to be technically proficient, but impactful, that is really what makes our job worthwhile.